Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to use WhatsApp payments to sell things. Let's get started. WhatsApp allows businesses to showcase and sell their products using the app. Customers who would like to purchase those products can now have an option to pay for those products without using another platform to send the payment. This way, it will be convenient for customers to pay for the product. WhatsApp has recently launched a new WhatsApp feature where you can start sending money using the app. Mark Zuckerberg recently announced this in-chat payment feature, making it easy to make transactions via WhatsApp to their WhatsApp contacts list. The payment service is only available to 20 million WhatsApp users, even if there are over 400 million users in India. The good thing about the payments feature is that there is no fee for sending money or payments to anyone on WhatsApp. Using the WhatsApp payment is just as easy as sending a normal WhatsApp chat message. This is beneficial for customers and businesses as well. Though Mark Zuckerberg mentioned that the feature can be used to send money to your family and friends in your WhatsApp contacts list without paying any fee. Using the Unified Payments Interface or UPI-based payments service, WhatsApp users are allowed to use the app to send money or make payments to their WhatsApp contacts list. The feature was designed to support more than 140 banks in India. To use the WhatsApp payment feature, you must have a bank account in India supporting UPI, and you must also have a debit card with that bank account. Also, the mobile number that you used for registering your WhatsApp account should be linked to your bank account or debit card that you will use to make payments or send money through the WhatsApp mobile app. Once you have a bank account that is linked to the mobile number you have used for your WhatsApp account, you can then set up the payment feature on the app. Transferring money to another WhatsApp user is as easy as sending a chat message. You just need to create a chat message to the WhatsApp user that you want to send money to, then tap on the attachment icon and you will see the payment option. If you don't see the payment option here, it means that your country doesn't support the payment feature for WhatsApp yet. Now tap the Accept and Continue button. Select the name of your bank from the list of banks that you can link with your account. Using the selected bank, you can start sending and receiving payments via WhatsApp's payment feature. Take note that you must update your WhatsApp mobile app to the latest version to make sure that the feature is available on your app. Then WhatsApp will check if the selected bank is registered to your WhatsApp mobile number. Next, you must verify your debit card information before you can successfully send a payment. You will need to have your card ready, as you will need to input the last 6 digits of your debit card number and expiration date on the app. The next step is to create a UPI PIN that you will use to secure your transactions. A one-time PIN will be sent to your mobile number, so you need to enter that PIN and enter your UPI PIN twice to confirm it. Take note that you must not share your UPI PIN with anyone. Once you are done setting up your UPI, you can start sending payments to a WhatsApp contact. Create a chat message to the WhatsApp user that you want to send money to, then tap on the attachment icon and you will see the payment option. Input the amount to send and also an optional message. Take note that the user that you want to send WhatsApp payments to should also have the WhatsApp payments feature enabled on their device, or else the payment will not be successful. Once the payment is sent successfully, you will receive the transaction details in the chat window. Also, you may receive a confirmation SMS from your bank regarding the successful transaction. You can even review the transaction details, which will show a record of the time the payment was made, the status of the payment, the bank used to make the payment, and the transaction ID for future references. WhatsApp Payments is a great feature that is added to the platform that can help small businesses request for payment transactions and the customers can easily send payments using the WhatsApp mobile app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.